that anecdote, Tommy, I guess, at the moment in the fight when you began to take over and outboxed Ray for several rounds, that wasn't a surprise to you.
No, it wasn't a surprise. I mean, I knew what kind of ability I had as a boxer, and I wanted to really show the world that I had good boxing, great boxing skills. And when I was out there doing it was doing when I was doing so good. I was just, I guess I just got overwhelmed with what I was doing, why I was doing so easily, and just hitting them and real, especially with the jab. The jab was the key factor in the fight. All the time, the jab was the key factor. And then I started using the right hand, then that's when I really started being really surprised.